It is our last day in Niue. Wish we had more time. We're planning to leave in about 5 hours, but there's still things we want to go see. So, well, she wants to go see.
So we're up early.
Yeah. So we're gonna go see him and hike around, and just us today. So there we go.
Yay!
The island of Niue is only about 10 miles long, so it takes 30 minutes to drive one end to the other. Our first stop of the morning was the Limu or Limu Pools. I think part of what makes Niue so beautiful is the lush green landscape, the crystal clear turquoise water, and the beautifully colored coral.
It was cool. Like all of a sudden, 3 or 4 crabs just jumped out of the water, and we looked down and there's a sea snake. So I guess the sea snake will eat a fish, or ooh, he's after tasting that fish. Well, it's got a sign that says bar open, but thinking it might have been closed for a while.
Oh, babe, can I have one of those?
Every time she sees an animal, can I keep it? No.
Look how cute those are, though, for real.
This is a monument to the Niueans that fought in World War I. It's pretty amazing that even though the fighting was primarily halfway around the world, Niueans still volunteered to fight. It was interesting to see just how much life these tide pools contain.
Wait, let's just walk.
Our next point is right here, actually, so we'll go check it out. Some Talava arches and Matapa Chasm. No, I don't know where she gets all her energy. She hadn't even had any caffeine today. It's a beautiful spot. There's some kind of like foundation, like concrete foundation built here. I can't imagine what it was for.
Wow.
But it's pretty. That was Mataba Cabin. Now we're headed to the Talava Arches.
caves opened up into a beautiful chasm with arches.
It's a pretty cool spot, probably one of the prettiest spots on the whole island, and the whole island is just gorgeous. Glad we came here. We almost skipped it because we're running short on time, but worth the stop. How often are you going to be in Niue?
You're leave me for the bats.
We crammed in as many sites as we could that morning, and then we had to head back to the boat to leave. On the boat, Thad slipped the mooring, and we were off.
This place will have to come back sometime.
Totally.
Next stop, Tonga.
Wish we could stay longer. Maybe we'll come back someday, go visit New Zealand, and then take a trip over here on the side trip.
Pretty cool place.
Yeah.
If you would please click like and leave us a comment, it really helps us out in the ratings. And this channel is made possible by viewers and patrons like you. We can't thank you enough for your help.